Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Oh my god, these freaking kids need a chill. They are going. I am very, very good, and be it understood, I have a right good crew. He is very, very good, and be it understood, he commands a right good crew. Enough?
The holy dove, she will be caught again, bought and sold and bought again, and the dove is never free. Ring the bells that still can ring, forget your perfect offering. There is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in.
Sometimes, when I get nervous, I stick my hands in my armpits, and I stick them like this. It's gross. It's gross. And then I stick my ears, my hands, my ears, and I lick it, and roll it up, and then I click it. Thanks.
Uncle Joe wants to know where you are. Where are you? Hello?
Jackson Ford is the coolest dude on the planet. And right now, he's walking down the parkway, checking it all out. What do you got to say, dude?
Stop rolling and stand up for yourself.
All right now.
Does anyone want to hear a cheesy bird joke?
Yeah.
No? Yeah. Well, that was awkward. Yes, I am, and I'm gonna love it too, yeah. What's up, bitches?
Pacing around as I do, and I'll think, whoa, whoa there. Oops, think how nice it is. Why I can still talk to a tree, you know. I think that way. Hi, Peavy. Hi there, bird. Are you talking to me? Yeah, hi, calendar. He's a devil of a month, isn't it? Well, I think I'm going to make it.
Wind it to the left, wind it to the right, wind it down to the floor. Now wind it back up to the front. Round and round you go. Under glass as you roll it back. You must lift it like up. Now pop that booty, watch how it feels. Spilling your cup. If you down to see the sign on the shore.
Better than the ground. The shot just goes wide of the net. Finally recovered by Buffalo. Cleared up to center. Briere's onside. A breakaway. Here's Briere. Buckets goal.
Yeah!
Go Flyers!
Hi, this is John from Age of Moosehead, reminding you to come to the M Room on November 17th, featuring the music of Age and Moosehead, and also the open-air lights from the Parkway. That's right, come see the open-air lights live at the M Room. Come visit us online and come see us at the M Room, November 17th. Actual lights, not at venue.
Oh no, I love you, no.
Même si c'est pas des conditions idéales pour regarder des spots, avec la pluie comme ça, c'est vraiment impressionnant. Ça fait comme un effet.
Sparrow, be cruising at about 10,000 feet here. Here, take this plane off.
I would like to go up to the tower, to the feet of William Penn, and look out over your city. And so as a little boy all by myself, I stood at the feet of William Penn and I looked over the whole city. There I made the resolve that come hell or high water, I would make this city as I could.
I love you right now and always.
Mom, when you go off to your home country, I wish you a good life. Even though I don't know where I'll go. And Dad, I wish you a good life too.
Our legacy now is exactly what it was then. Loved in one part of the world and hated everywhere else. And there isn't an apologetic bone in my body or anybody else's body on our team.
I don't think we care. They can say whatever they want. We don't have to apologize to nobody.
I wouldn't change the way we played for anything, and I don't really care what people think. I mean, I'm proud of what we accomplished.
They weren't inside that black and orange uniform.
Faces on the walls, invisible faces on the walls, faces of animals, faces of criminals, faces all over the walls, telling me to cut up your corpse, telling me to paint in your blood, telling me to slice up your face. The faces on the walls are telling me to paint in your blood, but I don't listen to them. I don't listen to them because I love you.
Ninja Turtles, heroes in a shell, turtle power.
Do the laugh, do the evil
Querida woman in transition, gracias por estar conmigo.
I'm in Philly tonight. I live in Allentown. I'm here to chauffeur my in-laws to the Barbra Streisand concert at the Wells Fargo Center.
Who's that? Pete and repeat. We're in a boat. Pete fell out. Who's that?
钓鱼岛是中国的，超级空是世界的。牛逼！
I love jelly.
धीरे धीरे इस दिल का जीना है
This is for my sweet baby boy who lights my life up like these lights do. I love you, baby.
Remember, the Rome wasn't built in a day with somebody, without somebody rather, getting hit on the head by a brick. Oh, sure. Now, at one time, I wanted a beautiful lady to be gushing at the door when I came home, all spiffed up and looking ideal.